Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do an update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price. And guys, we have an emergency video because currently we saw this broke out on this major support area, which is exactly the $22,734. And after this broke out, guys, we moved to the downside, and this was actually very strong resistance area. And the time that we passed this resistance area, we had some more pump to the price of the Bitcoin. And if we actually would like to see the Bitcoin price pumping more, we should actually find big strength on this support area as we were retesting it to push the price to the upside. But as we broke this one, guys, the situation flipped to very bearish situation, and probably gonna get to a number which I'm gonna show you if you wait until the end of the video. So guys, on this video we're gonna see where we're gonna get from this point in the short term. And guys, as you know, the last couple days, the last couple weeks, all this kind of pump, I'm screaming you that is nothing else than another bull trap. And guys, probably this kind of drop gonna continue to very low numbers. So if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because it's a way that helped me a lot to push, guys, this video to more people. And it's a very simple process. All you have to do is daily like, daily comment, a share in your social media or in your friends is all I need. And appreciate you for the bottom of my heart, guys, for all this help and support that you show me on this channel. A big thank you to all of you. And let's dive straight to the 4-hour time frame to begin our analysis. And guys, I'm gonna start straight from this current situation. As you know, we found very big resistance area at $21,471, this very major orange line. And guys, as you remember, here we had a high on the Bitcoin price movement and a lower low on RSI. And actually this was a bearish divergence, which I was expecting to see a drop on the price of the Bitcoin because of that bearish divergence. And we saw, actually, it was this one. Okay, this one, it was there is the outcome of this bearish divergence. But suddenly we saw some slightly pump. I told you that we were retesting the previous support as a resistance, and subsequently I was waiting to see furthermore dump as it's supposed to happen. But then, guys, whales pumped the price up to one more level to the upside. It broke out this major $21,471, which was here the previous resistance, and we moved to the next resistance, which actually was this one here. Okay. And also we broke it yesterday, and everyone was quite bullish. Everyone was expected yesterday that we're gonna get $25,000. But guys, if we would like actually to get there up to $25,000, we should actually find big strength on the support area of $22,734. And actually with that kind of a retest of support to pump the price even further more to the upside. But guys, with this breakout that happened at $22,734, we flip to a very bearish mode. Okay, we are currently in a very bearish situation, and right now all I have to do is to do a zoom out, which I'm always do on my videos, because guys, as you know, in the last couple of days I'm extremely bearish, and I was screaming you that this pump happened by big whales who want to wreck you out badly. And my justification for all this actually was the RSI from the technical side. Okay, because look at this, guys. Look at this. We were in extremely overbought position, and guys, we can't stay on this overbought position forever. We need some sell-offs to happen. So when we actually gonna get to this sell-off mode, we're gonna start seeing RSI dropping even lower with this with these ups and downs of the price of the Bitcoin, and of course simultaneously the RSI. So with that movement, Bitcoin is gonna have the same path as the RSI, and of course here we're gonna start forming a very big resistance as we're gonna start forming a big downtrend movement for the Bitcoin price too. So this is what I'm expecting to happen in the next coming days, guys. In the next coming weeks, I believe that we're gonna start moving a downtrend movement, and we're gonna actually prove that 90% of guys out there is wrong for one more time, because it didn't happen not only once, not only for a second time, it happened 3 times in the row, guys. I found the 3 biggest bull traps that happened on this bear market. The first one, of course, it was this one, the $25,000. Everyone here was calling me crazy when actually I was telling you that we're gonna get not even lower, but in a new bottom, because the bottom was $17,000 and we had price of Bitcoin $25,000. And I was telling you that because of that, we're gonna see even lower the Bitcoin price, and everyone was calling me there crazy. But when it happened, actually everyone came back and told me, sorry Chris, you were right. So I found 3 bull traps like that. Okay, it was this one is the second one, the third one was this one, and right now this is the 4th one, which if it's gonna happen, I'm gonna be very happy, because the 10% of the guys who actually listen to me are probably very correct in their financial decisions. So to declare something, guys, in my every video, I'm always telling you to do DCA, to do dollar cost average, because I want from you to do very well until the next bull run. I don't want to see you lose money. Okay, this is my purpose on this channel, to actually help you to understand and learn the truth on the markets. And guys, that's why I'm suggesting you to avoid trades, to avoid the trading on this current market structure that we have on this bearish situation, because you're gonna wreck out 99%, especially if you're intermediate or beginner trader. Even the very pro traders are getting wrecked out badly, because we have lots of wealth manipulation on this current situation. We can go with the technicals. Okay, it's not only technical game. Here we're talking for fundamentals. This bear market, we're talking for fundamentals and wealth manipulation. Okay, you have to understand that. You can actually predict a market when suddenly wealth pumping with billions the price, and then suddenly they sell off. You can actually predict with technicals this kind of situation. And of course, guys, fundamentals. No matter what's happening, what indicators telling you on this current situation, if the fundamentals are bearish, as it is right now, as we are dealing with a global economic crisis, and of course, guys, it's not only that, we have inflation rates, we have all these bearish news about bankruptcies, FTX bankruptcy, Genesis bankruptcy, US debt up to 31 trillion. All these are very bearish things, and we can pump Bitcoin up to $100,000 on this current market structure. We need to find some relief on this current situation. We need to find some cure, and this kind of cure it need to happen at least 5 to 6 months from now. We can actually flip so easy from bearish to bullish, and especially this current bearish situation, which is extremely bad. Okay, also Jeremy Powell speech is preparing us for the worst case scenarios. He is speaking in every speech that we're gonna get into a maximum pain, and this maximum pain, guys, is not the $16,000, is under $13,000, $14,000. My worst case scenario for the Bitcoin is $12,000. Okay, this is the worst case scenario. I don't believe, and I don't have more anticipation to see the Bitcoin price under $12,000. I believe that we're gonna find big strength here, and afterwards we're gonna start finally see the money coming through this market and actually building slowly the bullish territory. So guys, from this current situation, as we're speaking, let me clear the mess, because the chart is very messy right now, as I usually have the most messy charts on the YouTube. Guys, you can clearly see on the daily time frame here that we have dropped even more as we're speaking. That's $22,371, and I believe, guys, that anytime soon that we're gonna touch and retest this $21,466, which is a very strong and major support. That if we're gonna break this one, guys, this bull trap is over. Okay, this bull trap is gonna be over. I don't believe that we're gonna have a correction to a bull run. Okay, this is very funny to me, because the RSI, because the fundamentals, because lots of because. And I believe that we're gonna come to this support, we're gonna break it to the downside, and then you're gonna see that we're gonna have crazy rejection, a crazy crash down to $17,000, $18,000, and probably even lower with the time move on. Okay. This is exactly what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any kind of question. Drop it down below. I will be happy to see it, and of course to reply it. I don't only accept, guys, the offensive comments. I'm gonna delete them, and actually I'm gonna block you in some way to do not participate again on my channel. So an offensive comment is useless. Do not do it. Okay, so that's all. I hope you enjoyed, and see you guys tomorrow with my fresh updates. Until tomorrow, your boy Chris out. Bye.